Welcome to iGROW Online. In this session, we will embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment through guided meditation. I'm your facilitator, and I will be guiding you through my voice. In today's session, we'll explore the transformative power of self-confidence. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let's begin. Take this moment to recognize your physical presence, the firmness underneath you providing support and stability. Turn your attention to your breathing, without altering it. Notice the refreshing coolness as you inhale, and the comforting warmth as you exhale. Take a deep breath in, allowing the breath to fill your lungs and energize your entire being. As you exhale, release any tension or self-doubt, letting go of anything that may be holding you back. Today, we invite you to embrace your inner strength and cultivate a deep sense of self-confidence. Imagine yourself in a serene and empowering space, surrounded by a warm, golden light. As this light surrounds you, feel its energy permeating every cell of your body, awakening your innate self-confidence. Focus your attention on your heart center, the seat of your self-worth and inner power. Visualize a radiant golden light residing within your heart, growing brighter and more vibrant with each breath. Allow this light to expand, filling your entire body with a sense of empowerment. As this light continues to grow, affirm to yourself that you are worthy, capable, and deserving of success and happiness. Repeat silently or aloud, I am confident. I believe in myself. I am deserving of all that I desire. Now, bring to mind a recent accomplishment or a time when you felt confident and empowered. Relive that experience in your mind, allowing the feelings of self-assurance and accomplishment to wash over you once again. Hold on to this memory and anchor it within your heart. Visualize yourself stepping into the future, embodying the qualities of self-confidence and inner strength. See yourself engaging with others, expressing yourself authentically, and facing challenges with unwavering belief in your abilities. Embrace the vision of the empowered version of yourself. With each breath, feel the energy of self-confidence expanding and radiating outward from within you. Notice how this newfound confidence positively impacts your thoughts, actions, and interactions with the world around you. As our guided meditation comes to a close, take a moment to appreciate the sense of self-confidence and inner strength that now resides within you. Carry this empowering energy with you throughout your day, knowing that you have the ability to face any challenge with confidence and grace. Bit by bit, encourage your awareness to return to your body and the space you inhabit. Tune into your body's sensations. Acknowledge the orchestra of sounds enveloping you. When it feels right, delicately stir your fingers and toes, awaken your body with a comforting stretch, and greet the world with open eyes. Remember, self-confidence is a journey, and this practice can be cultivated daily. Affirm your worth, embrace your strengths, and let go of self-doubt. Trust in yourself and the unique gifts you bring to the world. Thank you for joining me on this empowering meditation today. Subscribe to our channel for more guided meditations and resources to support your personal growth and self-confidence. May you continue to nurture your inner strength, embrace your true potential, and radiate self-confidence in all that you do. Until next time, remember that you are powerful beyond measure. Take care, and be well.